Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. I'm feeling better than I had been feeling. I got so many drugs to take, y'all. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I don't feel like cooking and been back to the pharmacy to pick up more meds. I've been back to Walgreens to see if they had what Walmart didn't have. Did a little shopping, and so I'm in and I don't feel like cooking, but I need to cook. So I've already washed these chicken legs. I'm not going to bread them. And I'm making some canned glory greens. These are the turnip greens with the diced turnips. They're good. I ain't standing here picking no greens. And I asked Walter, was he going to eat some canned greens? He said yes, so I'm making 2 cans. I'm making some mixed greens. I'm going to mix these. Well, it's good eating, y'all. Try it. And I'm making me some sweet potatoes. I ain't making no cornbread because unless I make the corn muffins, Walter ain't going to eat it. So I'm not eating all that. So I'm not going to make it. So let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. I've already washed the legs. Legs much cheaper than wings. So I'm towel blotting them. I always wash my chicken. People say you spread bacteria all over the... Well, I sanitize after I, handle the chicken. Okay. I'll be using the newest air fryer. It's called the CheFavor grill and air fryer. So I'm not going to use the air fryer basket. I'm taking it out. I'll be cooking in this pan. It's supposed to stay in here. No matter if you air fry or grill or use the griddle. And this has a top and bottom heating element. It's new, but I've been using it a lot. It works just like the Ninja Foodie extra large grill, except this one has a top and bottom heating element. So, and this has already started to get dirty just like my Ninja. So just wipe it out, and I'm not scrubbing nothing. So I'm going to preheat this. Put it on air fry. And I'm going to preheat it. So that's what's happening now. I'm using regular yellow mustard to put on my chicken. So this is the air fryer Walter uses. It's on his last legs. But he don't want to use one of the other air fryers I have. Because he's used to this one. And he likes that one a lot. That's my first air fryer. Power air fryer XL. Putting dollop mustard. Just plain yellow mustard. This is the ranch spicy salad dressing mix. Oh my, this is what I'm going to use. Just going to sprinkle this on top of the mustard, and then I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, it's through preheating, and the air fryer says to add food. I need 1 glove. And a rubber band. So these cheaper gloves, they come off your hands while you're mixing your food. So one of my honeys suggested that I put a rubber band around the wrist, and that works. This will surely come off. See? So I'm just going to smush the mustard and the seasonings. See some more water down in the bottom of this bowl. I'm trying to sop it all up. And since I'm not breading these, I'm not going to have to spray it with oil. 5 minutes already. And I'm putting it right in that pan. Hear that sizzle. Now if your chicken is skinless, you would need to add some oil. But there's a lot of fat in chicken skin. So there's 10 legs. You don't have to spray it. Okay. I'm going to add and bring it up to 22 minutes. Okay? At 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, y'all, I'm opening these cans. It's good to keep some canned goods on hand. Take my word for it, y'all. These are good. Of course, they're not as good as the real greens. You know, the fresh greens, you got to stand and pick and wash and all that. I mean, that's if you know how to fix them. But my favorite is turnip greens. I like mixed greens too. You mix everything together. These had the diced turnips in them. Sweet potatoes. It says cut yams in syrup, but these are sweet potatoes. Yams and sweet potatoes are different. Two different things. That on, yes. I'm gonna add my cinnamon. I'll drain the juice out. It's just gonna make its own juice. Cinnamon. A little nutmeg, just a little. Can't use too much because it'll overpower your food. You don't have to use it. Just a, see that? A touch. Some butter. I ain't supposed to have none of it. Okay, I'm going to set that on the back of the stove to cook. Do this, I put the wrong thing in my greens. Like I say, you don't have to add nothing to the glory greens, but y'all know I do the most. I'm adding some granulated onion powder. Sometimes I just drop a whole onion down in the center of it and then take it out after it's warmed up. Granulated garlic. You don't need no extra salt or anything. Pepper. Come on now. Okay, that's good. I need some red pepper flakes. Okay. Turn it on. Turn this one on. Let's side. And somebody asked about this cookware. This is called the Time and Table cookware. This particular set is the gold and black speckled. It has speckles on the inside, gold speckles. Somebody wants to know if this was a cast iron skillet. But it cooks like a cast iron skillet. I bought the set from Walmart, but they also sell it on Amazon. Okay. These legs have been cooking for, well, it has 8 minutes left. So I'm going to flip these legs. Here's my sweet potatoes. You see it made all this syrup. So I drained the juice. Just let it cook and it'll make a syrup. And the longer it cooks, the thicker the syrup will get. I'm going to turn the fire off. Here's my canned glory greens. They're mixed greens with turnip, diced turnips. And here's my dinner, y'all. Baked, well-seasoned chicken legs, candied yams, and some glory greens. No cornbread. Okay, I got my plate fixed. I'll taste the greens first. If y'all like greens, this is good. Sweet potatoes. I just took this chicken out of there. Let me see what I can do with the chicken. Let's see. Can I pick it up? It's hot. That's how it looks back at the front, and it's so juicy. Ooh, I'm gonna cut a piece off and taste it. And the skin on the top is kind of crispy. Don't like no slimy skin. Here's a piece of chicken that I cut. This is piping hot. Y'all see this thing? One more again. You want to make you some naked chicken? Get some of this. Now this is the spicy Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. It's dry. It's supposed to be a salad dressing mix, but it's a good seasoning. Oh wow. First time using this. I highly recommend it if y'all eat naked chicken. Okay, so my dinner, my impromptu dinner, when I didn't feel like cooking nothing, is a success. Walton been in here twice looking. He told me he wasn't going to eat no sweet potatoes. Well, I knew that. But anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 7:32 p.m. Time to eat. Bon appetit. Bye.